Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl.
You know it's your girl.
So I saw this video on TikTok right here, and when I saw it I was like, what in the flawless makeup gods is going on here? No flashback, everything just looks so perfect. And I was like, you know what, British babes, I feel like they have the best makeup hands down. So I'm going to be following her techniques and her steps to see if her makeup is going to come out looking just as flawless as hers. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I have the video on my phone, so I'm going to be watching it from my phone, but I'm also going to leave it here for you guys to see and follow along.
So first things first, I'm going to go in with a primer. So this is the MAC Strobe Cream Primer. I guess it's really thick because
Okay. So she obviously starts by priming, and she's using the MAC Strobe Cream. I've had this for a very long time, so hopefully it's not expired. She used her hand, but I'm going to use a brush. I just washed my hands, and I don't like when product touches my hands after I've washed it. So let's... So she's using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but what she's using is way lighter than her skin. I feel like this is very close to my skin color. And since she's using two concealers, I'm going to take a little bit of my Aucoin concealer, because this is the lighter shade that I have, and just put this here where she put the lighter shade. And then she put some right underneath here. And then she put it underneath here as well.
So obviously this is the secret of what I do when concealing.
So she's going to go in with a flesh toned concealer and just put this in between where the two other concealers lie, and put it around her chin.
because I don't want my nose to look too bright, and here around my cupid's bow.
Color corrected in forever. So I have this Charlotte Tilbury orange color corrector.
So after color correcting, you want to go in with your beauty blender and blend out the color corrector. So I blend this out first because before I put my foundation, so this is not going to look too tacky. You don't see no red marks in my foundation.
Playing on the track.
For foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade NC55. I do not have the e.l.f. one. And that's the thing about makeup, you don't have to use the exact same products to recreate a look.
Basically, you want to apply the foundation like it's basically a contour, and around your forehead. I don't put that much product on my forehead, but yeah. So here, and a bit on your nose.
And she said to apply
bridge,
a little bit on the bridge of my nose.
We're going to blend out our concealer, not with a beauty blender, with a brush. And let me tell you why. Let me tell you about this brush, guys. This brush works wonders. It just gives you like a nice base, whereas using a beauty blender, it just gives off, it's just not the, let me show you why. Let me just, yeah?
So normally for me, I like to use a beauty blender to blend out my concealer, but she's using a brush, and I have these two brushes here. They are both tapered. One is obviously smaller than the other, so I think I'm going to go in with the slightly smaller one, just so I can get into those creases.
I don't understand, using a brush is way better than a bloody beauty blender. So you want to start blending, and obviously people ask how I get a sharp line, and I basically just, you know, keep, I don't know how to explain, but you can see of how I'm doing it.
Ooh.
I'm not going anywhere with the brush, I'm just patting it, I guess.
So just patting
And then we're going to
it.
do the same on the other eye. Are you done? Look! And you want to use a beauty blender? Are you taking the piss? Let's do the other eye.
I feel so attacked. Like the way she's coming for people that use beauty blenders. It's just that I don't think I even know how to blend with the what's it called? With the brush. I feel like my makeup looks so crazy, guys. Oh Jesus.
Holy Spirit, activate.
Oh no.
Holy Spirit,
no. Oh, no.
activate.
Mine is not looking like her. Oh no, I look crazy, but I'm just gonna trust the process. Luckily, I have on my concealer in NW55, but it's the Studio Fix concealer, which is a little bit more on the liquid side compared to the concealer that she used. But she went in with the beauty blender. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my palm first, and then go in with my beauty sponge. And she said she applied this on the side of her nose.
I'm gonna go in here. Here.
So let's go with this.
I'm
gonna apply that there.
Here. And a bit on my forehead.
Apply this here. And apply this on her
This.
forehead.
Are you back?
Like she is
Stop!
doing. It's so crazy that the things that she uses a blender for are the things I use a brush for. I don't know if it makes too much of a difference, but we would see. Okay guys, at this phase I think I am satisfied with the way I have blended it out. Like there's really nothing else I can do.
So now we're gonna bake using the Banana Light Revolution. And I use this little thingy to basically go under my eye. So you wanna look like this.
That is a lot of setting powder, my dear friends. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana. Ooh, girl. Okay, she goes ahead to bronze, and I'm using my Juvias Place bronzer, and I'm using the shade, this is the darkest shade they have for their bronzer, because she mentioned that she likes to go very, very bronze. So I'm going one shade darker than I normally would for my bronzer to add more warmth to her cheeks and to her face. Like, don't I look crazy enough, my dear? So the next step is to obviously take this all off.
Eye crease contour brush, which is very useful. So you want to grab all that product you have and then start. And this is
Oh wow, guys. I look crazy. Shit. Honestly, this is actually fun for me, so I still need to do my eye. Like, she didn't say anything about the eyes. Like, what am I supposed to do with my eyes? So I'm going to use my Covergirl blush instead. It's more toned down and it's more pink and orange. So she applied this on her nose and on her cheeks as well. So and on her nose. Oh, I feel like that's too much. That's definitely way too much blush, but that's fine.
I just use any eyebrow pencil and just fill in my lip with it. So then what you want to do is blend out your lip liner so it doesn't look too hard.
So once you're done with your lip liner, she says to blend it out. I never ever blend out my lip liner, so this is a very, very good tip.
The lip combo. So I use this Kiko lip gloss in Lip Volume. You can find that in the like lip plumping section. And then I mix it with the Kiko in shade 3D Hydra in 6.
So it looks like I'm going to pick these two because her pink looks very like light.
3D Hydra in 6. And I put this one first. And then this one. Now you guys can leave me alone.
Makeup looks freaking flawless. Yo, so I am back, guys, and this is the final makeup look, and honestly I am loving it. I look so beautiful, I look so cute, especially with this hairstyle as well. If you guys are interested in how I was able to get this hairstyle, my 2 little pigtails, okay, the tutorial is already on my channel. But anyways, back to this makeup look. I look so good. Like, this look is freaking banging. Like, this look slayed. So with all that being said, this concludes my makeup look. All the products I use are going to be listed right down below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. And until next time, my loves, peace and love.